Good morning, everyone. Well, it's a pretty warm and gray start to the day. We're already in the mid 70s, but with all these clouds, I think we're only going to warm up a couple of degrees, hit our high around lunchtime, and then start to slide down into more comfortable temperatures this weekend. That's mainly because we've got a lot of showers that are coming through. All the way from Idaho to Iowa, we've got a decent range of showers. Eastern Montana, we're looking at the bulk of them coming through. It's pretty rainy out there. And we've got a decent bit already into eastern North Dakota. It's spreading from south to north, moving up towards Winnipeg even. A lot of our showers are towards Jamestown, Devil's Lake, staying kind of on that western side of our area. But then there's this second little group that's making its way up into southeast North Dakota. Fargo's going to get some showers soon. I don't think Grand Forks is too far behind. And then in the afternoon, that'll spread further east into Minnesota. Here in Fargo, we are staying dry for right now. The tower cam, it doesn't have any raindrops on it, but we are looking at a lot of gray overcast skies off towards the east. And all the showers are off towards the west. So it goes to show it is a cloudy and going to be rainy day pretty much for all of us. 68 right now in Jamestown, 70 in Roseau, and 73 in Detroit Lakes. A little bit cooler off towards the west where those showers are. Temperatures are mostly similar to what they were yesterday. It's a little cooler towards the north, though. We don't quite have that same amount of heat that we started Thursday with. A lot of our winds are coming in from the southeast, but the cold front is starting to make its way through. So we're seeing some winds change around to be a little bit more from the north. But since Lakes Country has all this wind coming in from the southeast, bringing in a lot of more warmth and moisture from the southern part of the country, that's the best chance for some storms and possibly tornadoes that we have this afternoon. Now, most of the day, we're going to see a lot of showers with some storms here and there. As we get into the late afternoon, early evening, those move over into Minnesota. Everything kind of lines up right that we'll have some storms developing. And we've had systems like this in the past with the similar sort of cold front moving towards the northeast that have developed tornadoes out there. So that's why we're really keeping an eye on that one. We'll make sure to keep you updated in the afternoon as they develop. Towards the north, we might get some storms as well. To the west, it's looking more like heavy rain. And then showers will keep on going into Saturday morning, definitely helping out with the really dry conditions we have. Some places even getting up towards an inch in North Dakota and maybe more than 2 some spots in Minnesota. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has kind of extended the likely category a little bit further towards the west, but it hasn't gone further towards the north. So we're still looking at storms south of Highway 2 for today. Tomorrow, it's going to be particularly calm. Those leftover showers don't look like they have any energy to them. 73 is going to be our high in Carrington, 79 in Grand Forks, and 79 in Thief River Falls, with most of our storms towards the east. I think northwest Minnesota will get some of those, but further south in Lakes Country is the best shot. 78s are high in Fergus Falls, 79 in Moorhead. These are some of our warmest temperatures, so that does give a little bit more extra energy to storms that will be forming. And 77s are high in Ellendale. So highs are pretty similar all throughout. It is a little cooler towards the west since we're starting with those showers. And remember, those highs will be around lunchtime and we'll start to drop heat after that. Overnight, we'll cool down into the 50s with some leftover storms in northwest Minnesota, mostly just the rainfall that's left into Saturday morning. And on the KVRR Weather Authority 7-day forecast, temperatures will hang out in the 70s through Sunday. I think Sunday night we've got another round of storms, but that looks a little more isolated and calmer than what we've got today. Then for the work week, we're looking at pretty close to average temperatures. Tuesday, we've got some extra showers to put more moisture in the ground.